All right, what is going on, guys? Wanted to do a video here about a little tip for breaking into medical device sales. I know it can be a rough journey, not really knowing who to reach out to. A lot of companies actually have the ideal candidate in mind before they actually, put out their job description on LinkedIn and actually, have applicants apply. So what I wanted to do was give a little tip in order to get ahead of the game if you are looking to apply or get jobs. Now, this will cost you about $100 a month, but it depends if this is worth it to you in order to break into a career where it is the majority of the people are gaining over six figures in the job. So $100 a month, that's only like $1,200 a year for a chance to break in to make a career making, a bunch over that. So what this is going to be, so go on to Sales Navigator. This is on LinkedIn, so make sure you have a LinkedIn as well. Now, pay for it for the Sales Navigator program, and what that's going to do is you can filter different things based on like job title, geography, those kind of things. So what you're going to do is you're going to throw in the filters, regional sales managers, hiring directors, recruiters, those kind of things. So you can look for these people and you can connect with them. So it saves you the time. You can look for their company. Say you want to get a job as Stryker, you would type in Stryker into the key phrase, and then you would strike in regional sales director, and then you would plug in, let's say if you're in New York, plug in New York. That's going to give you access. If there's someone that has a LinkedIn on that site, you're going to be able to connect with them rather quickly. And this is where the key comes in, is because you can send people messages without being connected with them. So you can send them a message, be like, hey, looking for opportunities in this region, could I get you out for a coffee or something sometime? You do that X amount of times with enough people, you're going to get a good result. So that is all. This is a really fairly short video, but if you're struggling to find the right people to connect with on LinkedIn and, reach out to, this will help you. So I'd recommend doing that if you're in that boat.